Who's ready for the most realistic outfits of the week in the whole wide world? You are. Mike is dead, so it's charging. So, happy Monday. Today, we are really all dressed out, ready to step out into the world. And by step out into the world, I mean not leave my house once. We've got a Hanes t-shirt on, Adidas track pants, and today consists around feeding Lucy, putting Lucy to sleep, and entertaining Lucy. I've also got so much stuff I have to do, like the bank right now, and just BS. So my brain is like in a million different places. I'm hoping I get to shower today. And then tomorrow, there's no plans. So we'll see what tomorrow stores for us. But this is going to be the most realistic outfits of the week in the whole wide world with a newborn. Let's go. But also, I wanted to say thank you so much to Desenio for sponsoring this video. You guys already know I love them, and I can't wait to show you the prints. I am looking forward to setting that up since I don't do anything else. Yay! Today we are playing with fire with these bangs. Just kidding. But this is true ballet core, is what we're dressing like today. When I see the ballet core and you don't look like half a slob, it's not real. This is ballet core. So these pants are from Bloch, B-L-O-C-H. If you're a dancer, you know that brand. And then I got this little top off Whatnot from Callie Pop, I think is how you say it. Go follow her on Whatnot. She has amazing like steals and lots of ballet core, cottage core, coquette, whatever you want to call it. I actually like the 3/4 length sleeves now. I always despised them, and now I like it. This is such a comfy little outfit, and the reason I'm dressing very ballerina today is because maybe tomorrow I'll go to ballet, but it'd be my first time back since 7 months pregnant, I think, and I just don't know if I'm ready for it. So I figured I'd dress the part today, and it might make me want to go tomorrow. But then also, literally like negative outside today, so I'm not going to be going outside at all, but let's put on the outfit like I would be going outside. So I'd probably do some slouchy socks, obviously. Also, my fingers are finally like not being so swollen, so I think I can put on rings again soon, which is really exciting. Okay, I thought I wanted them slouched, but I kind of want the pant over it like that, and then I'm gonna put my hair up. That was awful. And a camo hat. For some reason, camo and pink go together to me. I don't know what shoes to wear, but if I was going outside, I love that that's my outfits of the weeks now. Like, if I was to go outside, I like the camo hat with the fur jacket. It's like a true hunting look. Like I hunted, I'm not saying that, that's gross, but you get what I mean. This jacket was my grandma's, so literally so sustainable. What shoes would I do? I kind of just want to do black Adidas Sambas. That's pretty cute. I like it. I love these black pants as well. You can roll them up a bunch. They're just called trash bag pants. One sec. I got these because none of my leggings were fitting for ballet when I was pregnant, and I knew that I would be able to wear these after, and it literally worked. The Miu Miu bag. I think like that this is really cute, and I know it's blue and it's an all black outfit, but you guys know I like that. Very strange. I really like baseball caps with fur jackets. Oh, this bag's so cute. So upsetting. Okay, now I'm gonna take off some of this stuff, but I want to show you guys the Desenio prints because I'm dying to put them up. I just keep looking at a lot of places in the studio that like needs some artwork, but they will be moving soon too. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Okay, of course I already opened the box to look at them, but I haven't set them up yet. This is my best one yet. You guys know I love these prints. A lot of my friends have gotten them for themselves or for family. They're just such affordable prices for really cool artwork and frames. And frames can be so expensive, so the fact that they just have every piece has a frame that will fit it in like the color or whatever you need is amazing. I got 2 really big ones, yay. Okay, so I wanted to come on here to let you guys know that I'll be linking the exact prints that I have in the description box for you guys because Desenio literally has so many prints, and it does take me forever in like the best way to find exactly what prints I want, but it's so fun just like scrolling through the website and seeing just all the different like styles and designs.
that Desenio offers. And they also add new prints on a monthly basis, so you can always check the site for new designs. A lot of the prints are designed by the in-house design team or their photographers. And if you guys want 45% off your prints and 10% off on your frames, you can use my code Elaney45. The prints are already such a good price, so to get them at 45% off is such a steal. I feel like if you want to freshen up your space for the new year, or just an inexpensive way to feel like you're redesigning a space in your house, or room or dorm or whatever, artwork is a really great way. This code will work until February 13th at midnight, and it doesn't work on personalized prints or canvases, but everything else is fair game. So remember to use my code Laney45 for 45% off your prints. I'll have the link in the description box to get 45% off, and then also I'll link
today for you guys. All she wants to do is bounce. Look at her outfit. Purple sweatshirt, red gingham overalls, puppy socks. I think I'm in the same outfit I wore Monday. I don't know if you can hear her breathing. I did pigtails because I thought it was fun, and then camo hat, and then we're gonna go to the thrift store, and there I'll show you guys shoes and jacket I decide to pick out. I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. It'll be whatever is closest to the door probably. And then what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm thrifting for my Whatnot live show, so make sure you're following me on Whatnot to see when I go live. See ya. This is a bad angle. That's better for some reason. Guess who's making it out of the house today? I'm gonna go pick up smoothies for me and Brandon. He's gonna stay back with Lucy. I haven't gotten a haircut since last spring. No, maybe it was summer. But I need a haircut. It's like not doing anything for me. And you guys know I cut my own bangs. And I'm just not as good, obviously. Here's the outfit. Base. Got this shirt that's from Leftover Booth, which is Brandon's brand. I think he's launching the site again. I don't know though, but I cut the neck of it. That's the back. Very cute and very easy for breastfeeding. These jeans were sent to me by from Madewell. They're the dad jeans. Why didn't any of you tell me that these were so good? These are the exact jeans I've been looking for, so I'm definitely going to be ordering another pair in a different color, but I really do like this like almost black dark wash color. I feel like I would just want like a light color too because I don't have any light jeans right now that fit my new body. These are amazing. They're size 27. It's literally like 2 degrees outside right now, so, and snowy. We need to put on moon boots, the Anukis, and these jeans are so comfortable that like I feel put together during the day, but I feel like I'm wearing PJs. And I like filming these videos because they make me get dressed, and like getting out of the house makes me get dressed. And then finally, we're gonna add, this is a ALD puffer sweatshirt. I really like it because when it's so cold outside but so hot in the house, I don't want to like put on a sweatshirt and then a jacket. I just have to put on this jacket. And that is the look. I mean, like, it's still pretty cute for just being functional. These jeans really make it. So yeah, that's Tuesday. I'll let you guys know if I change or do anything else. I have something to show you guys, and I'm not even going to put it in the title of this video, but we're doing a little bit of a giveaway. So I didn't want to... Okay, also, this is what your house will look like when you have a newborn. Just accept it, and it's beautiful. I decided I wanted to do a giveaway because I had all the money on Whatnot from the like sale we did, and I was like sitting with this money on Whatnot. I hadn't transferred it out yet, you know, and then I just started shopping, of course, and Whatnot has a lot of like luxury items, but the thing about Whatnot is I've realized the people on these like luxury bag sales really like Louis Vuitton. Like everybody wants Louis Vuitton, and that's not my favorite luxury brand. I like Miu Miu, I like Prada, and I like Vivienne Westwood, and I feel like you guys have been hunting down the Vivienne Westwood now on Whatnot after my haul because there's not a lot. I found this Miu Miu purse, and I bought it for myself. Okay, so remember that. It just came in the mail. It looks like the Balenciaga City bag, but we know Balenciaga sucks now, so I saw this. It's this really pretty like blue color, and it's basically brand new. This lady had it listed starting at like, I think the starting price was around $300 to $400. I think it was almost $400, the starting price. And I was the only one who bid on it, so I got it for like the first price she listed it as. And then as it was on its way, I was like, this is your guys' money that you bought from me doing my auction. And I haven't done a giveaway in a really long time. So I was like, you know what would be fun? Like the money I made from that Whatnot sale, let's buy giveaway items. I love shopping. I love shopping on Whatnot. Nobody needs this bag, but it is so cute. Like it's literally so freaking cute. Maybe I'll style it tomorrow, but we're gonna do this bag as a giveaway. So if you want this bag, just comment on this video below. Let me know how you'd style the bag in the comment below. That'll be your entry. We will do, I think we're gonna keep it. We aren't gonna do international for this one. Maybe the next one I'll do international. I have 2 more items coming for giveaways. Let's keep this one in the US if that's okay. It's just so much easier for me to ship something just in the US. And then, yeah, that's it. Maybe the other one I'll give away in a Whatnot show because that's a lot easier to do international shipping through Whatnot. When it's just myself and like having to go in and stuff, it's a pain in the butt. And I honestly can't go anywhere for more than like 30 minutes because of a little girl that's over there that you might be able to hear. So yeah, I didn't want to announce this anywhere because I just want to give it to like you guys who watch my videos, who support my channel. So we're going to be giving away this Miu Miu bag. It's literally like perfect condition, but when I opened it in front of my mom, I was like, I want to keep it. Should I keep it? But I knew I wasn't going to. But I mean, I bought it with the intention of keeping it. It is so cute. I've never heard of this bag either. Oh, Lucy. It's so cute. What goes in here? Oh, it's a keychain. That's so cute. Damn, I'm jealous. This is so beautiful. I love it. Look at Diseño prints. Yay! Okay, so just comment down below. It's still stuffed from when the seller sent it to me. I love it.